Good day, viewers. Congratulations for joining this channel, because if you're here, it means you have access to our A to Z on the financial markets. Now, I mean the digital assets market, that is the crypto market. And as we all know that the artificial intelligence is the latest gig in town for trading financial markets. So if you don't have the best of the best artificial intelligence, I mean the Microsoft Qlib AI, which trends with the market, it's also equipped with what we call the machine learning. So it reads history and it trades in real time. Okay, so this artificial intelligence is so special. It trades in financial markets, digital space, and of course, all you need to do is set it up with the best of the best strategies, and all you need to do, focus on whatever you have to do for the day. Okay, because gone are the days where you have to sit down and analyze the market, spending hours analyzing the crypto markets, futures markets, or whatever markets, drawing up the charts and all that, and after that you still make a losing trade. But we have this AI, this robotics that actually trades for you, making money from two different markets. That's the sports markets and also the futures market. So what's the sports market? The sports market is actually where you trade on prices depending on the prevailing market. So it's an immediate settlement. So whatever you have at hand is what you trade. That's the spot market. While the futures market has to do with future trades, where you have to indicate or predict the price of a particular asset, whether it's going to go long or go short. Okay, so analyzing this market might be very difficult if you're trading manually. So of course, these two markets, that's the sports and the futures market, they have their own risk profile. Okay, you wouldn't want to be trading them manually because the risk profile for the sports is different from that of the futures market. But we will show you, okay, we have every step. We will hold you by the hand and show you everything you need to know setting up this robot, the A to Z. We have all the steps in our channels from A to Z. We have the step 1, step 2, how you set up, how you trade and set it up, and you just go to sleep. You don't need to stress yourself reading through the markets. So now this robot it's actually very affordable, and you can trade with a minimum of $100 if you're trading on futures. You can trade even as low as $20 if you're trading on spots, and just keep making your money. Very cool. Like I said, it's very affordable. All you need to do is just a plug and play. And I'll be showing you the A to Z right in this video on how to set up from putting in your funds in your exchange, because you don't need to give your funds to anyone. You don't need to even give your funds to the AI. The AI has no business with your funds. All you need to do is hook up with your favorite exchange. You have a lot of exchange. You have Binance, you have Bybit, OKX, KuCoin, and so many of them. Get to your favorite exchange, verify, do your KYC on your exchange, then you connect the bots. Of course, in this video, in the list of these videos, we will show you how to do all these things and also how to set up. So we've broken down the various setups in different segments and different videos, which once it's self-explanatory once you go through our trainings, our learnings, and also in our channels, in our groups. We hold you by the hands, we guide you into making your first $1,000 in a few days or even in a few weeks. Okay, this is just plug and play. This is the most interesting technology of our time, and backed by the Microsoft Qlib AI. It's something interesting. So this is revolutionary, coming into the trading space, into the crypto space, digital asset space. We've never seen this before. So keep following us. Now I'm going to set up this bot for you to see. So just follow the setups A to Z. Once the bot installs, follow the guide and you will see how we set up a winning trade. Let's go and set up now. Now, once you have this wonderful app downloaded, the Apollo bot app, which is backed by the Microsoft Qlib AI, that's artificial intelligence, then this is the beginning of your journey to find the financial freedom. Okay, now this app, this AI is backed up with several robots all in one, so we call it a two-in-one bot. Or we call it a two-in-one bot is because it has the Sports Classic bot embedded here and also the Futures bot embedded here. So you can see the Futures Classic and also the Futures Hedge. So each of these has their own specifics. Okay, so now the Sports Classic, like I explained before, sports deals with the sports market. That's an immediate settlement where you just go and trade with the current price according to the prevailing price of the market, while the futures market is where you can amplify your gains. Of course, when you amplify your gains, it also comes with some risk, but we have special settings if you're in our group, our Telegram channel or our WhatsApp channel. We have very special setups where you can follow and you just keep making money. So this bot is all a plug and play. All you need to do is set it up and you go to sleep. So we call it a setup and go to sleep kind of bot. So the bot can also trade the sports and futures markets simultaneously. So you can choose to stay on the sports market, you can also choose to stay on the futures market, or also you can choose to trade the both markets. So either way, you make money on this very good bot. So all you need to do, because this bot actually, it's free, all you need to do, just follow us on our channels. We have a link. All you need to do is just follow the link and we will guide you in our group. We will guide you on how to set up this bot. So now you don't need to put in money in this bot. We don't advise you don't need to put in money here because this bot is absolutely free. All you need to do is go to your special exchange, go to your favorite exchange. We have about 7 exchanges that we've partnered with 7 exchanges. Okay, this bot has partnered with 7 exchanges. When you tap on exchange, you will see, okay, you can see you see OKX, you see Binance, you see Bybit, BitGet, HTX, there is KuCoin, and there is Gates.io. So all you need to do is create an account with this exchange, verify your account. That's the KYC. Once you're verified, put in your funds, then we will guide you on how to bind. Of course, you follow the videos, you follow our step 1, our step A to Z guide on how to set up this bot. We'll show you how to bind your account. That's connecting the bot to your exchange through what we call the API. That's the application program interface. So the application program interface enables the AI to bond with your exchange and it will send a message to your exchange. So it takes charge as though you are the one who is trading. So it takes control of your exchange. You just go and do other things. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, you have the API. Then next is you have the gas here where you see buy gas. So you just tap on buy gas and you can see there are various types of gas according to what you can afford. So you can see there is no competition here. This is according to what you can afford. So it means that anybody can use this robot and make money. Okay, because in this economic downturn, everybody needs to have a second job. Yeah, everybody needs to have a second job because gone are the days where you need to trade your time with money. No, you don't trade your time with money because that means you have to be physically present in 2 places. So with the advent of AI, you can be present in 10 places with the aid of the AI. Okay, so all you need to do is just empower this robot and let the robot trade for you. All right, so you see we have gas of, this is 30 USDT, this is 50, this is 100. Of course, we're going to guide you on how to do these things. So the 30 means you're going to fill in the $30 into this feed in $30 into this robot and it will start to trade for you. But bear in mind that it depends on your capital. Okay, I prefer to go with a minimum of 50, so it will take you for some time. Okay, this will carry you to an extent before it is exhausted. So the robot will actually, as it makes transaction, as it makes money for you in your exchange, it deducts is very conservative actually. It deducts from this gas you have put here. Okay, so we have a step-by-step guide on that. So you can see we have, for those who are trading very high, if your funds are very, very huge, you're trading about $10,000, $20,000, you can go for gas of this, about $500 gas. Okay, so if you're trading huge funds, so that's about the gas. Then you okay. So and the sports, when you tap on sports, let's, for example, you tap on sports classic. Now we have the bots are carefully selected from the markets, about over 100 coins here. You know, in the market out there, we have over 2 million cryptocurrencies, both genuine projects, fake projects, and projects that will not last. So what has this AI done? This AI has carefully selected coins with good use case. Okay, it has selected coins with a very good use case, and it means that you can just pick up any coin here. The robot will pick up any coin and trade for you. So any coin you see here is a coin that has been well carefully studied. Now let me show you what I mean. Now when I let's select this, you can see selected 115 coins. So 115 coins out of 2.4 million coins, over 2.4 million coins in the coin market cap. What does that tell you? It means that it has carefully sieved the good coins out of the garbage. So it means that we have over 100 coins to play around with. That's about that. So now when you go into the futures of this bot is so powerful. So I call it a money machine. So you can see that we have different strategy types. We have the AI DCA, we have the DCA, we have the AI grid, we have the grid. In this AI DCA, it means the artificial intelligence aided dollar cost average. Of course, it means that the AI is taking advantage of the market, trading at various levels of the market. Now, if you feel that you're an expert, okay, so you can trade using this bot automatically, that you just plug it and play and go to bed. But if you feel you're an expert, you want to also touch and put in your own settings. That's where the semi-automatic settings come in. So the semi-automatic is where we have the DCA, that's the dollar cost average. So with the DCA, you will notice that you can come here and put in what you like, put in whatever you feel you can take more than 5% from the market, which the robot will manage and take those profits for you. But then if you feel you want to go on the AI DCA here, you can see the profit taking is smart allocation. Everything here is smart allocation. Now, if you look at the interface of this robot, of this AI, you see it is not even complicated. It doesn't have all those so much parameters where you need to ask questions. So it is self-explanatory. It was made to be simplified. So once looking at it, you just understand. Unlike so many bots out there where you have so many parameters, it looks like you want to fly a plane. So, but this is just so simple. Okay, so you have the DCA, you have the AI grid, you have the grid. All this will guide you. We will guide you in our group. We'll guide you. We'll take you by the hands, and you'll fly with us. So these are money-making futures here. These are different kinds of robots. Then if you feel you want to make huge money where you can leverage in the market and amplify your profits, you want to make over $10,000 with your capital in a month, then you come to the futures hedge or the futures classic. So it's also the same thing. Once it's all selected here, this bot is so wonderful, and there is no such thing as liquidation using this Apollo bot. there is no such thing as liquidation. So you can see it has the AI hedge grid, it has the hedge grid, it has the AI hedge DCA, it has the hedge DCA. So just you will follow we have all the steps all written out, we have all videos for you to watch, and they are all self-explanatory. We have A to Z of this video. We now have we have a robot that trades the one-way system, where the robot reads the market and follows the market immediately. So you can see we have it here. This is the futures strategy. So this robot is a robot that is well built for everyone. So we continue to make money using this bot. So we implore you to download this bot, follow us in the group, click on the links and just ride with us. We will show you all you can do using this bot.